Alright, you guys, so I'm just now setting up my SMS voice setup for SMS leads. I've already gone through pretty much half of it. I'm gonna play you my first opening message. So when you call me, this will be what you hear. Hey, it's Devontae Graves. If you're getting this message, it's because at one time you showed interest in becoming your own boss and starting your own business. If that's still the case, there's an awesome opportunity you can check out by going to www.lastyearbeingbrokeplan.com. Lastyearbeingbrokeplan.com. If you want more details, press 1 now. Yep, that's pretty clean for the first message. Now I'm going to set up, before I get into any of this, make sure you follow these directions because it really varies on what you want to do. If you want to set up multiple, one to start here now, press 2 to talk to me directly, or however you want to set it up. If you want people to talk to you directly, you can. I turned off that option. As you can see, I did the warm-up message and what's in the message. I did that one. I skipped that one, and I skipped the third step, and I skipped the fourth step, and now I'm gonna just do the text message. So I basically have two audios and a text message. That first one that y'all heard, that was like 30 seconds. The second one is about almost 2 minutes, talking about how to get started in the plan, things like that. So now I'm gonna set up a text message response. That's not going to be, do not use any caps, avoid using spellings such as dollar signs and at signs. Okay, so here's a message. It can only be 100 characters, which is very, very less. Like even Twitter, you can get 140. That's kind of crazy how I can only use 100 100 characters. But yeah, I just put Devontae Graves here. Be your own boss at lastyearbeingbrokeplan.com. Get training at youtube.com/my channel. Alright, so I can even add a video text message like a GIF, or I could add a GIF. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to check this box if you want to remove it. Or I can add should I add a photo? No, that's a bit too much. Yeah, this is already good enough. This is already good enough. Like the message and the text in a video, like in another message, like a photo, that's kind of too much. So we're not going to do that. And we're going to hit next. Text message auto response after inbound text. I might just put the same thing I just put here. Can I copy and paste that? Okay, cool. Oh, you can see. Okay. So this is for when someone tries to shoot you a text instead of calling you. If they decide, hey, I'm gonna text this person, this will be the text back to them. All right. So there you have it. That should be it. I can go through. You can go through each step here. I added my opening message and a second message, and I left these two blank. I turned it off. I turned the third step off. I did. Right. So that should be the end of this. I have completed my SMS phone lead setup. Now all I have to do is just drive traffic. You're gonna save my settings. You must click save your settings. Yes, I do. If you don't get the message, your autoresponder is now set up and active. Look back. Alright, cool. We are officially set up and active. Alright, and again, I can go to, where can I go to? I want you guys to see the comp plan. Alright, so this is the comp plan right here. If you decide to get a phone number, because that's all this is. The product is a phone number, and that's literally what you're buying, is a phone number. So that's $20. Plus, if you want to add like a order bump, that's another $10. So you can earn between $20 to $30. and they even have a traffic plan, which is $33 a month. So it's like half off of each buyer or something like that. But yeah, you can earn up to $20 to $30. So you can earn $20 to $30 for forever, for infinity. Like there's no limit to how many sales you can get, and these commissions go straight to your Stripe account. Your Stripe account. I can go to my account, my Stripe account right here. I can show you guys. Whenever you get a sale, it will come directly to you from Stripe, and that's what I like. I like getting a sale today and getting paid instantly. So this is kind of like an instant cash strategy. Kinda. Well, it is. It is an instant cash strategy. So all the links will be in the description. If you guys want to call and listen to the message, you can. I will definitely be promoting my business phone now. So make sure you guys are subscribed and plugged into the Facebook group, because the Facebook group really shows a lot of information. So thanks for watching. My name is Mr. Graves, and I will see you on the inside.